Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping. And today I want to talk about the frame, the decking frame. So quite often people ask us, how do we install the actual composite decking on al fresco or on the porch where there is a concrete floor already? So there are a few options and I would like to show you some options are cheaper, easier, faster, and some a bit harder to do, but different options for different cases. So come over, I'll show you. Okay, so the first option is one of the easiest as well, and probably the bit cheaper as well option is the L-shaped brackets that we dynable to the concrete. So we pretend that this is a concrete block, so I mean your alfresco, and there is a hole here, so you dynabolt it in, and then you can suspend the frame on these L-shaped brackets. We recommend to use every meter a new L-shaped bracket, but use it on the other side of the joist. And when you know your height, you can clamp it and then just use the screws. Usually we use about 4 screws for each L shape, so you screw it in and continue. You can use either 9045 treated pine, or you can use the aluminium frame 50 by 50 at 3 mil. So the second option is what's called the decking pedestals. They come in several different sizes, and our sizes range from 18 mil, the lowest, 18 to 30, and then 30 to 60, 60 to 140, and then 140 to 220. Depends on the height of your decking frame you need to achieve. You choose which size you're after. So these decking pedestals are attached to the concrete the same way as the L shapes. You just can dynabolt it. Sometimes when you have the waterproof membrane, if it is over the roof or something, you can just use the silicone and glue it in. And then you use this little wheel to actually lift up or decrease the height. Then you can suspend the actual frame here and use the screws to actually attach it. And that's it. You can use aluminium frame as well instead if you want, but you just have to use the metal screws for metal. Alright guys, so that's basically it. You either use our L shapes and dynabolt it, or use the decking pedestals and dynabolt it to the concrete and adjust the height. So yeah, if you have any questions, please write it, email me, call me, send SMS. And with our YouTube channel, obviously, subscribe, like, click, whatever happens there, and yeah, let's have fun.